Right, so in the box you get a power cord with a plug on the end, very handy. AV leads, I'm not sure if I'm going to be using these. Yeah, AV, HDMI connections, I probably will use this, HDMI cable. Some batteries for the remote control, I will be using them. A SCART adapter, does anyone use SCART anymore? Yeah, but it comes with a SCART adapter. To SCART to AV, don't ask me why, there you go. The actual unit itself, and I will show you around, the user guide, important information from Manhattan SX, and a 2-year, you must register within 30 days of purchase, thing, a card, yeah, card. Yeah, telephone number with a helpline on it as well. So the main unit itself. So on the side, on the left hand side, we have a Dolby Audio USB connection. It says Dolby Audio, so I'm taking it that's designed for that if you want audio out or Dolby Audio. Some air vents on top, a screen on the front. Just going to peel this off right now. Nothing on the other side except some more air vents. Some, look, feet, I wouldn't say there's padded though. And on the back we have your dish connection, yes, which we will be using. Ethernet connection, I'm not sure, I haven't made mine up whether we're going to use it or not. HDMI, we're definitely using that. AV, again, I don't think I'll be using it, but you never know. And your power connection. And that is it. Now, I actually bought this myself, and the reason I bought it was because my grandson, he has his own little room here, and when he stays, he said to me, or said to his nan, can I watch TV? And we said, no you can't because you've got no connection for it. But we have now. We have satellite in that room, or satellite cable, and fingers crossed it should just plug in and work. But we will be testing it. Remote control, let's have a quick look at that. So volume up and down, channels up and down, and loads of numbers, power on and off, mute button, OK button, back button, exit button, and your colour coded buttons at the bottom. You've got menu, text, swap, and information. Oh, and subtitles there, and guide. That's about it. It's all you really need to know, innit? So I'm going to put the batteries in, and then I'm going to take these upstairs because it's upstairs, it's got to go, and set it all up. Hopefully it's just basically plug and play. Let's go upstairs, shall we? So that has to be the easiest way to set anything up. It was straightforward, plug and play basically. You know, just follow the instructions for setting them up and away you go. And my grandson is staying with us today, or for this weekend, and I've already shown him. He said, oh, I can watch TV in the morning when I wake up without getting out of bed. Yeah, you can do. The only thing I need to do is sort out the colours. A little bit on the bright side, but I don't think that's the actual box itself. I think it's the actual monitor that I'm using. And there is a setting in there to adjust it, but I haven't done it yet. As always, you would expect that in any TV monitor, there will be a colour adjustment. But I just left it on the presets, wherever it was. And I thought, colours are a little bit bright, but I thought I'll leave it alone. Navigation again was very easy. Setting up the Wi-Fi was easy. TV navigation was extremely easy. It's easy to follow. It's easy to find everything. I think I had about 150 channels. There's over 200 channels in total, but some of them were radio stations. And again, very easy. It done a search for signal strength and everything like that, as you see in the video. And I thought, well, that's really easy. The only thing that surprised me was the size. It's like that, a tiny thing. I was quite impressed with the size of it. So yeah, definitely gets my thumbs up for several reasons. Installation was a breeze. The size of it is quite small, comes with all the right connections for connecting it, even to an old TV. It's dead silent, can't hear anything, has plenty of ventilation, but there's no noise, or couldn't hear any anyway. And the remote control was nicely laid out as well, easy to navigate. There's no multi-button pushing or anything like that. Basic, simple, and it works. So with that, as always, I will stick links in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. And if you like this video or want any more information, let me know and I will try and answer it in the comment section. So with that, if you like this video, know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, click on the bell for notifications, and thank you very much for watching.